Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I am an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database SpringerLink. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with lettered tabs at the top, and by subject on the right. SpringerLink begins with the letter S, so I'll go ahead and click the letter S tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. On SpringerLink's main page, click on the gear icon and select Advanced Search. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about butterfly habitats, you simply type your terms in the "with all of the words" search box. After I've typed in my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all its contents that contain the terms you searched for. To access any article, simply click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the detailed record for the article. Here, you can find author listings and journal information, as well as an abstract and keywords. The PDF of the article can be downloaded and viewed by clicking on the Download PDF button on the right side of your screen. This has been a brief tutorial in using SpringerLink. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.